The book offers practical advice on how to build a successful business, manage finances, and cultivate a strong work ethic. Introduction. Rabbi Daniel Lapin's book, Business Secrets from the Bible, is a comprehensive guide to creating wealth and achieving financial success. The book draws heavily from the Bible, offering a unique perspective on business and finance. Lapin, a renowned rabbi and author, shares his expertise on how to build a successful business, manage finances, and cultivate a strong work ethic. Understanding the Bible's business secrets. The Bible contains numerous stories and teachings that offer valuable insights into business and finance. The benefits of specialization. Specialization allows for economies of scale, increased efficiency, and better quality products. By focusing on specific industries, Ghana can leverage its comparative advantages and create a competitive edge in the global market. Economies of scale. Specialization enables businesses to produce goods and services at a lower cost per unit, making them more competitive in the global market. Increased efficiency. Specialization allows businesses to focus on specific tasks, leading to increased productivity and efficiency. Better quality products. Specialization enables businesses to develop expertise in specific areas, resulting in higher quality products. The One District, One Factory Initiative. The One District, One Factory Initiative aims to industrialize the nation by creating a factory in each of the 136 districts. The country's debt-to-GDP ratio has been steadily increasing since 2018, with a significant spike in 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The government has been struggling to manage its debt, with the debt servicing costs reaching an all-time high in 2022. The debt crisis in Ghana. Ghana's debt crisis is a pressing issue that has been unfolding for several years. This has led to a substantial increase in debt servicing costs, which have become a major burden on the government. Causes of the debt crisis. Several factors have contributed to Ghana's debt crisis. Some of the key causes include high levels of borrowing. Ghana has been borrowing heavily to finance its budget deficits, which has led to a significant increase in its debt. Low revenue. Ghana's revenue has been low, making it difficult for the government to service its debt. Inefficient allocation of resources. The government has been inefficient in allocating resources, leading to a lack of investment in key sectors such as infrastructure and human capital. Dependence on commodity exports. Ghana's economy is heavily dependent on commodity exports, which makes it vulnerable to fluctuations in global commodity prices. Consequences of the debt crisis. Consequences of the debt crisis. The debt crisis in Ghana has had significant consequences for the country. Lapin's approach to wealth creation emphasizes the importance of financial discipline, saving, and investing in assets that generate passive income. Understanding the Ghanaian economy. Ghana's economy has been experiencing significant challenges in recent years, including high inflation rates, a weak currency, and a large trade deficit. The country's reliance on oil exports has also led to a volatile economy, making it difficult for the government to manage its finances effectively. The role of financial discipline. Lapin emphasizes the importance of financial discipline in building wealth. This includes creating a budget, saving regularly, and avoiding debt. By living below one's means and prioritizing needs over wants, individuals can create a stable financial foundation that allows them to invest in assets that generate passive income. Key principles of financial discipline. Living below one's means. Creating a budget, saving regularly, avoiding debt, prioritizing needs over wants, investing in assets that generate passive income. Lapin's approach to wealth creation also emphasizes the importance of investing in assets that generate passive income. This can include real estate, stocks, and bonds. The informal sector in Ghana. Ghana's informal sector is a significant contributor to the country's economy, accounting for approximately 85% of total employment. This sector encompasses a wide range of activities, including small-scale trading, craftsmanship, and services. The informal sector is characterized by its lack of formal registration, and many businesses operate without the necessary licenses or permits. Challenges facing the informal sector. The informal sector in Ghana faces several challenges, including limited access to credit and financial services, lack of protection for workers' rights, inadequate infrastructure and transportation, limited access to markets and customers, high levels of corruption and bureaucracy, opportunities for growth despite the challenges. The informal sector in Ghana also presents opportunities for growth and development. Encouraging record-keeping and reinvesting profits can help small traders transition into larger enterprises. This can lead to increased productivity, improved working conditions, and better access to markets and customers. The role of trust in business. Lapin stresses the biblical value of trust in business. Trust is essential for building strong relationships with customers, suppliers, and partners. It is also critical for establishing credibility and reputation in the market. By fostering a culture of trust, businesses can create a loyal customer base and drive long-term growth. Case study: the impact of record-keeping on small traders. A study by the Ghana Small-Scale Industries Association found that small traders who kept accurate records of their sales and expenses were able to increase their profits by up to 20%. This was achieved by identifying areas of inefficiency and making targeted improvements. The importance of ethical leadership in Ghanaian corporations. Ethical leadership is a crucial aspect of corporate strategy in Ghana. It involves making decisions that prioritize the well-being of employees, customers, and the community. In the Ghanaian context, ethical leadership can help corporations build trust and reputation, which are essential for long-term success. Key characteristics of ethical leadership: plus prioritizes employee well-being and safety, plus demonstrates transparency and accountability, plus fosters a culture of inclusivity and diversity, plus encourages community engagement and social responsibility, plus emphasizes fair wages and benefits. Fair wages and benefits for employees. Fair wages and benefits are essential for attracting and retaining top talent in the Ghanaian job market. Corporations must ensure that their employees are paid a living wage, which is the minimum wage required to meet basic needs.